Good morning, student. I am Shankar Singh, math teacher. Today I teach you math. So first I start the exercise 12 examples. Our topic is trigonometry ratio of complementary angles. So in previous classes you study of the quadrant, that is the x-axis and x dash axis, y-axis and y dash axis, that is origin, reference frames in physics, math in origin O0, that is 0 degree and 360 degree, that is 90 degree, 180 degree, that is 270 degree, and that is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and next is fourth quadrant. In previous classes that's also are you study, that is 90 degree in change, that is 180 degree no change, 270 degree change, and 0 and 360 degree no change. So these terms are you study in previous classes. So I explain of these things. That is 90 degree, 0, 360, 180 and 270 डिग्री. आप लोग जानते हैं कि एक सर्कल, वन सर्कल रोटेशन that is 360 degree means if you divided in 4 part, that is comes in 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 9 4 ja 36 means 360 degree. So one quarter means 90 degree, another 90 degree, another 90 and another 90 means 490 equal to 360, and 90 degree explain that is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So 90 degree first is the that type 90 degree at change the term, and 270 degree also change and no change and no change. So first quadrant, if I say 2, that is the topic of our trigonometry ratio at complementary angles, means complementary angles 90 degree, complementary angles means 90 degree. So in I say 2 in previous classes you study always 90 degree minus theta, means first term is 90 degree minus theta means something is less than 90 degree, means 90 degree में से कुछ ना कुछ कम हो रहा है. 90 माइनस थीटा मीन्स 90 डिग्री में कुछ ना कुछ कम हो रहा है, मीन्स थीटा कम हो रहा, मीन्स जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट जो भी हमारा आएगा टर्म वो किसमें आएगा, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में, टेकन इन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट मीन्स 90 माइनस थीटा, दैट इज टेकन इन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, that is 90 degree at change means 90 degree पर change होगा, means if sin 90 degree minus theta, so if taken sin 90 degree minus theta, so that is 90 means change, so that is cos and that is the value theta, so that is cos theta, because first quadrant all positive. फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में क्या होता है, सारे जो होते हैं साइन कॉस टेन कॉट सेक कोसेक ऑल आर पॉजिटिव वैल्यू, सो डोंट टेक इन नेगेटिव वैल्यू, ऑलवेज टेक इन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट इन पॉजिटिव. इन 10 क्लासेस यू स्टडी ऑलवेज 90 minus theta means always first quadrant, that is positive value. Okay, so sin 90 degree minus theta, that is cos theta. Again cos 90 minus theta, that is sin theta, because 90 degree at 90 degree change cos to sin, that is theta and theta, sin theta. Similarly tan 90 minus theta, that is cos theta. Cosec 90 minus theta, that is sec theta. Sec 90 minus theta, that is cosec theta. So these types of change in first quadrant are you study in these topics in these exercise. So some examples are shown on the board. You carefully watch the video and solve the exercise of exercise 12 example. So first is cos 53 degree. Cos 53 degree divided by sin 37 degree. So first thing I watch the sin 37 degree and cos 53 degree. So one term is changed, another is also come of that term. cos 53 means एक को चेंज करेंगे दूसरा आएगा, दूसरे को चेंज करेंगे दूसरा आएगा. सो टेकन फर्स्ट cos 53 डिग्री. So cos 90 degree minus, so cos 90 minus this term, if this term minus in 90 degree, that is comes to 53 degree. If 90 minus 37, that is comes to 53, that term means cos 53 degree को हम cos 90 minus 37 degree लिख सकते हैं. So that is cos 90 minus 37, generally that term is comes out. So and divided by sin 37 degree. So first cos 90 minus 37 means first term, first quadrant, that is 90 degree change. So cos change in sin. So sin that is the term of theta. So sin theta is value of 37. So that is 37 degree. So sin 37 and sin 37 degree, that is 1. So that answer is 1. Again next question is taken, that is tan 36 degree and divided by cot 54 degree. Cot 54 degree. So taken tan 90 minus 54, that is cot 54 degree. So 90 degree change, tan change in cot, so cot 54 degree, cot theta, and divided by also cot 54 degree, that is equal to 1. Another taken an example of question number 2, that is cos 48 degree, that is cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree, sin 42 degree. So in these types of question taken, first one term is changed, so comes the another term, cos 90 minus that term means 42 degree. 90 minus 42, that is comes to 48 degree. 90 में से अगर 42 हम माइनस करते हैं तो क्या आएगा 48 डिग्री. So sin 42 degree, so that is 90 degree changes, so cos change in sin, and that is theta is equal to 42 degree. So sin 42 degree minus sin 42 degree, that is equal to 0. So that answer comes out the 0. Again question number 3. Question number 3 first, that is cos square 67 degree, cos square 67 degree minus cos square 67 degree minus sin square 23 degree, sin square 23 degree, that is given. So that term is changed. So first one term is changed, that is taken cos change in cos 90 minus 23 degree, that is cos square, that is cos square. So and that is sin square 23 degree. So that is cos, change cos 90 minus 23, that is changing sin 23 degree, that square minus sin square 23 degree, and that is sin square 23 degree minus sin square 23 degree. So that is equal, and that is equal to 0. And next question is question number 4. Third question I solved. Question number 4, that is third question, that is sin 20 degree, sin 20 degree, taken sin 20 degree into sin 70 degree minus sin 70 degree minus cos 20 degree, cos 20 degree into cos 70 degree equal to 0. That is proved. That is proved that sin 20 degree into sin 70 degree minus cos 20 degree into cos 70 degree equal to 0. That term is proved. So first, in previous classes I say to you the taken always your face is